The Forgotten Megafauna. Sci-Fi's vision of bringing back extinct giants. Introduction. Welcome, everyone, to today's thrilling journey into the world of extinct giants, the forgotten megafauna of our past. Imagine a world where mammoths roam the earth again, or where saber-toothed cats once again hunt across the plains. This concept, brought to life by science fiction, has captivated human imagination for decades. Today, we will explore how sci-fi envisions bringing these massive creatures back, the technology, ethical questions, and the cultural impact of these revived giants. Reviving extinct creatures isn't just science fiction anymore. It's a dream that just might come true. 1. Early sci-fi portrayals of megafauna revival. The idea of bringing back extinct animals has fascinated writers for over a century. H.G. Wells and Arthur Conan Doyle were among the early authors to depict worlds where long-lost creatures roamed freely. The Lost World, by Arthur Conan Doyle, imagined an isolated plateau where dinosaurs and megafauna still lived, unaltered by time. These early portrayals weren't necessarily about genetic resurrection, but more about undiscovered corners of Earth where extinct animals survived. In these early sci-fi stories, humanity dreamed of reconnecting with a past that seemed forever out of reach. 2. The technological challenges of resurrecting extinct giants. Modern sci-fi has moved on from discovering hidden worlds to actively resurrecting extinct species through genetic engineering. Books and movies like Jurassic Park revolutionized the concept, focusing on using DNA to bring back extinct species. The challenge of finding complete DNA, the potential errors in genetic reconstruction, and the use of surrogate species are recurring themes in sci-fi. In the novel, The Mammoth Revival, scientists use DNA from frozen mammoths and merge it with modern elephants to recreate these prehistoric giants. The process of de-extinction is a delicate one, fraught with challenges, from incomplete genetic material to the unpredictability of genetic mutations. 3. Ethical dilemmas in bringing back megafauna. Sci-fi has also used the resurrection of megafauna to explore ethical dilemmas. Should we bring back a species that went extinct naturally? In The Ethical Frontier, sci-fi authors have discussed whether humanity has the right to reverse extinction, particularly when we're still causing extinctions today. Would these revived creatures have a place in the modern world? Or would they simply become zoo attractions for our curiosity? In The Mammoth Cage, the revived mammoths become nothing more than spectacles, raising questions about animal rights and the cost of playing God. Bringing back extinct giants might make for incredible stories, but sci-fi reminds us that with great power comes great responsibility. 4. The role of megafauna in sci-fi stories. Revived megafauna are often portrayed as both guardians and threats in sci-fi stories. In the film Rampage, genetically revived megafauna are used as weapons, their massive size and strength harnessed for destruction. Other stories depict these giants as protectors of nature, balancing ecosystems that were thrown off balance after their extinction. In Guardians of the Lost World, woolly mammoths are revived to help maintain the permafrost and prevent the release of greenhouse gases, depicting these creatures as protectors of the environment. Megafauna in sci-fi often serve as symbols of humanity's attempts to restore balance to a damaged world. 5. Cultural impact of reviving extinct giants. The cultural impact of reviving extinct megafauna is a recurring theme in sci-fi. In The New Wild, the presence of revived megafauna changes how people view conservation, prompting both admiration and fear. The return of these giants often serves as a cultural reset, reconnecting humanity with the grandeur of a past we lost long ago. But sci-fi also portrays the fear of the unknown. How would societies react to the return of these massive beasts? Would we revere them or fear them? The cultural implications of bringing back megafauna are vast, challenging our relationship with nature, technology, and the past. 6. Real-world parallels. Inspired by sci-fi has not only imagined the return of megafauna, but has inspired real-world scientists to explore de-extinction. Projects aimed at reviving the woolly mammoth are currently underway, with scientists using advances in CRISPR technology. These projects echo the visions depicted in sci-fi, where the boundaries of extinction are challenged by technological advancements. The line between science fiction and science reality continues to blur as scientists take inspiration from fiction to achieve the impossible. The ethical debates presented in sci-fi are now being discussed in scientific communities, considering the consequences and benefits of reviving extinct species. 7. Future predictions. Sci-fi's vision for megafauna. Sci-fi doesn't stop at just imagining the return of mammoths and saber-toothed cats. It goes further. In works like The New Genesis, scientists create entirely new species, hybrids of extinct giants and modern animals, to fulfill specific ecological roles. Megafauna theme parks, where people can experience a prehistoric safari, are a popular trope in sci-fi, often with catastrophic consequences. In Pleistocene Park, revived creatures are used to recreate ancient ecosystems, aiming to reverse climate change and restore balance. The future, as envisioned by sci-fi, is one where humans wield the power to not only bring back the past, but to reshape it for our purposes, sometimes with unforeseen consequences. 8. Conclusion. Lessons from sci-fi. The idea of reviving extinct giants is thrilling. It's a concept that speaks to our fascination with the past and our desire to explore what's possible. But sci-fi serves as a reminder of the risks and responsibilities involved. Reviving the giants of the past isn't just about science. It's about ethics, culture, and understanding the role humanity plays in the web of life. Science fiction challenges us to ask whether we are ready for the consequences of bringing back what has been lost. As we move forward with technologies that might make de-extinction possible, let's remember the lessons sci-fi has taught us, the importance of balance, respect, and caution in wielding such power. Final call to action. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of extinct giants and their return through the lens of sci-fi. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to #Emperor Science and Fiction for more deep dives into the world of science fiction and beyond. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Would you want to see the woolly mammoth return? Do you think we should bring back extinct species? Let us know in the comments below. For more great content, be sure to explore our other channels: #Emperor University, #Emperor Artificial Intelligence, #Emperor Nature, #Emperor Aviation, #Emperor Entertainment, and Emperor Music. Links to each channel are in the description below.